How do you anticipate universal health care is going to affect you and your loved ones?
I'm really not sure how it's going to affect me and my family. Personally,
I'm not sure. I listen to my coworkers talk a lot about it, but I am married with a child, so I'm not sure how that would affect me as opposed to them being single still on their parents' insurance.
I have a corporate job and I'm covered health-wise, but I have a 24-year-old daughter who's still under a policy until she's 26. But I own a small food manufacturing company as well, and so I'm going to be an employer, and health care is going to be very important for my daughter later on and myself when I come out of my corporate job to run my business.
It affects me because I'm also currently covered with my parents until the age of 26, so kind of extended me until then because I didn't have it before.
You know, loved ones and friends and family are raving about access to health care and parts of health care that they didn't have access to before.
Am I gonna have to I'm gonna have to change it? Is that, I don't know. Is that what the Obamacare is? I'm gonna now have to get this thing called Obamacare and everything I've paid a bunch of money for. Is it gonna be more or less, the same? I don't really know.
Do you know what you need to be doing to enroll in universal health care?
I don't know how to enroll.
Do you know where to go to ask questions about universal health care?
Where do you go for resources? I think everything is pretty much out there, online from an internet perspective, and you can there's lots of resources available to you. You just have to find where to go for those.
Dr. Google would be the first one I would shoot for.
I personally don't know where to go to find out questions, but I'm hoping that my employer and the HR department will advise me.